Southeast Texas, the main weather story has been the above normal temperatures. That's going to continue, unfortunately, for the next several days and nights ahead. Your weather headlines, though, going to be quite a bit of fog coming up later tonight into Sunday morning. It's like a windy, more humid week next week. And unfortunately, those rain chances remaining pretty slim. Now, as we head through the next 10 days, speaking of rain chances, can't rule out a couple of isolated showers each day next week as low-level moisture will be increasing off the Gulf. It's going to be windy and humid, but as far as any significant rains, I just don't see it. The coverages pick up a little bit Thursday and Friday, up to 20%. Very little, if anything, next weekend, then back up again by next Monday night into Halloween morning as the next cold front works in from the northwest. Wind speeds expected over the next couple days. They'll be increasing now as we head into next week. Tomorrow, still not too bad, though. We'll have south-southeast winds 5 to 15, maybe some gusts up to 20 at times. Futurecast overnight. The big problem tonight will be fog, though. Seeing that patchy dense fog developing later tonight into tomorrow morning. Not as cool as it has been, but still not too bad. We'll see some 50s coming up in a few spots early in the morning as we head throughout the morning hours. Temperatures will be on the increase. Not as hot, though, as it has been. We're talking, we had 90s the last couple days. We should stay in the 80s coming up, I think. It looks like for your Sunday as breezy southerly winds will start increasing off the Gulf, especially in the next week, and certainly no rainfall expected tomorrow. But see those pretty warm temperatures, mid to upper 80s. That is well above normal for this time of the year. And once again, the main weather story will be that fog coming up for your Sunday morning, and some windy conditions next week. Marine forecast, well, not too bad yet. In fact, it's pretty calm offshore. Seas only a foot or two tomorrow. We'll have south to southeast winds up to about 10 knots, but those will be increasing as we head into next week. Tonight, patchy dense fog. Watch out for that Sunday morning. Low temperatures, lower 60s lakes, maybe a 59 in Burkeville, mid 60s inland southeast Texas, and in the Triangle mid 60s, so certainly warmer than last night. And for your Sunday, we'll start out with some fog in the morning. We'll warm to the mid to upper 80s for the Triangle tomorrow. No rain expected tomorrow. Inland southeast Texas, partly cloudy in the afternoon. Upper 80s for the East Texas Lakes area. 10-day forecast. Can't rule out a couple of small, very isolated showers on Monday and again on Wednesday. And it jumps a little bit, only a 20% coverage, but at least it goes up a little bit for Thursday and Friday. Looking fairly dry next weekend. Now, and the next cold front's due in not until next Monday night into Halloween morning. Much cooler weather expected by Halloween, and maybe a little bit better chance of showers and thunderstorms early on the 31st. Of course, be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and anything weather 24 hours a day. Be sure to log on to 12newsnow.com.